Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new stock item we've got in our used range, in that of a Lunar Solaris 574 2017. A fantastically well-spec'd single axle caravan with a transverse island bed and a rear bathroom. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. A generous sized front locker box, space in there for two 6kg gas bottles, light items such as your step, your electric hookup cable, just being careful and cautious of your nose weight. Benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. The Solaris range being bespoke to us here at Grantham, based on the Quasar range in the Lunar range. You've got an exterior barbecue point, a wet locker box with a 240 volt socket located inside, and the Solaris logo going all the way down the caravan. You've got a rear access hatch to underneath that transverse island bed, the machine black alloys, and also benefiting from a Power Touch classic motor mover already fitted to the caravan. So stepping inside this particular caravan, you've got a very generous kitchen work surface with work surface extension. You have an oven with 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric, combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. A generous sized under-counter fridge, and then a beautiful white locker effect with a chrome trim above the kitchen area, moving into a wood grain with cream and chrome trim, but ample amount of storage, as you can see in this particular caravan. You've got our bespoke hand-selected fabric scheme that you see here, and it clearly shows how fantastic the previous owners have looked after this and what great condition the fabric scheme is in. Located down the front here, you've got a television point, so you can pop a TV on that front chest area. You've got front drawers for storage and a short pull-out table. And down there, you've got your blown air heating and also your PIR sensor for the alarm. The Truma blown air panel located here by the habitation door and your main command centre above the door. You've got individual touch switch-on spotlights dotted throughout. On the right hand side here, you find a second television point that you can pop on this sideboard here with an easy usable height microwave with both storage above and also below. So stepping through to the bedroom area, you've got a concertina blind here that pulls across and clips onto this magnet should you need some privacy in the bedroom area. A generous and tall wardrobe with drawers and a cupboard underneath. You've got touch spotlights again going throughout the caravan. The bed currently in the day position that you see here, so plenty of space to move around, and also coming with luxury heavy duty pile carpets throughout the caravan. In the bedroom area, you've got a third television point with a triple arm TV bracket located just in the left hand corner of the bedroom area. The cabinetry going through and finishing through to the bedroom with a further storage compartment and wardrobe to the left hand side of the bed. So one of the great things with Lunar is the extremely generous size shower cubicles. So very, very spacious and very large square shower cubicle with also a featured hanging rail in it. High quality of finish on the sink and a generous sized vanity mirror with storage located underneath. And also there is your Thetford toilet with a shelf. And also you have got a further touch dimmable spotlight in the bathroom area. So that gives you a real good feeling for what this Lunar Solaris 574 2017 has to offer. We're really proud to have this back in stock as it is one of our bespoke caravans. One of the other great features that you see above here is this wonderfully large, long panoramic sunroof, letting a huge amount of light into the caravan, giving a fantastic feeling of space. So I hope you've enjoyed the walk around tour on this particular model. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to call us. We'd love the opportunity to do business with you, and we hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye now.